Hello everyone, I am P. Lokesh Sir and I am from Mechanical Department studying in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology, and recently I have selected in TCS, which is an IT company, you know. There is a superstition that mechanical students cannot go into IT and they can do only their core job, but that's not true. Coming to mechanical, students of mechanical are two-faced knife. Like they can go either to a core job or an IT job or government job or whatever sector they require or whatever they need. Mechanical is a branch where it is flexible to all the sides and all the corners. Like coming to our department, mechanical department is one of the best department in our college where the infrastructure is available and all the labs are very good designed and well equipped with the advanced equipment which is required for the academic purpose and skill purpose and all research purpose. Coming to the department labs and faculty, they are well educated and all the faculty are well qualified and well skilled, and they are very helpful to students and very friendly in teaching and developing their skills and enhancing their skills. Coming to our campus recruitment and training cell, this is a program where they train the students to get placed into multinational companies or core companies. This program starts in our second year, which helps us a lot to gain a job in IT sector or core sector, whatever it is. Take me as an example. I am from mechanical department, and they trained me in such a way that I got placed in an IT company, TCS, which is a multinational company. Like there are placement officers and our placement cell officers where they help the students in such a way that like we can develop and enhance our skills in such a way we can get placed in whatever company we want. Coming to curricular and extracurricular activities, we conduct games, sports and dances, whatever cultural activities in our college, whatnot, everything will be conducted in our college. Coming from first year we will get a freshers which will given by our seniors, in which we will participate in many games, cultural activities, or programs or whatever. Many fun will be generated. And coming to our mechanical department, we will conduct a special event called Vidatri, which is only for mechanical department, which is Mechanical Fest, in which we will give a project expo, we will perform games, we will perform cultural activities, science and whatever, science projects and whatever, and there is an industrial visits. For every year there will be an industrial visit to many industries and very large industries which students will get to know, and students will enhance their skills to the industry. Coming to final year projects, a team will be allocated with a guide, one faculty member, but apart from that every faculty will help us in doing the research of the project in fabrication, and whatever the results are calculated, whatever it is, apart from guide, every faculty will be friendly and they will help us in whatever need we have. Thanks for giving this opportunity to me to speak about our college and department. I want to thank our principal sir, our placement officer sir, and our head of the department sir, and our faculty, teaching and non-teaching faculty, for giving this opportunity to speak about it. Thank you.